Composting in the GobbleMax is going well, but
we're here to give you easy tips and tricks for easy composting. Number 1. Keep moisture balanced. Number 2. Remove that leachate. Number 3. Be prepared for small guests. Number 4. Tuck that sheet in. Number 5. Harvest like a pro. Your compost pile should be moist but not soggy.
But it's so deep down, how am I supposed to know?
You don't have to be worried about this in the first week. The excess moisture will be absorbed by the dry leaves and the coco peat at the bottom.
So what do I do after the first week? How do I check if the moisture is right?
Open the door and lift the plastic sheet. You will be able to tell if it is too wet or dry.
So how do I know what's dry or wet?
Here is what very wet compost looks like. Soggy compost might smell, so you will notice it. Add coco peat to this to absorb all the water and mix it well. Here is what very dry compost looks like. Dry compost like this will not decompose.
So how do I fix this?
Sprinkle water into this and mix it well.
So how often should I open the door to check for moisture levels?
Only after the first week. After that, you can check from the top. You can open the door at the bottom if you're unsure. GobbleMax has a tab which can help drain out the excess water. This is called the leachate tab.
Oh, and what happens to that?
The excess water will come out from this tab.
So it'll flow out all the time?
No, you will need to keep the tab open for at least 4 to 5 hours a day. Place a bowl near the tab to collect the leachate.
And what do I do with this?
The leachate is very beneficial for your plants. You can dilute it with 10 parts water and then use it for your plants.
And what if no leachate comes out?
There could be 2 reasons for this. The tap might be blocked. Use a stick or screwdriver to clear the blockage. This means that there is no excess moisture, hence your composting is going great.
Oh, okay. So far it's easy.
Glad you're enjoying composting. In the first 10 days, you will see maggots and other creatures in your compost.
Maggots? What are those?
Not to worry. These are maggots of the black soldier fly. They help in composting. They feed on the waste. In 14 to 20 days, they become black soldier flies and fly off.
So will they come out of the GobbleMax?
They may come out from the leachate tab or from near the door. That's why you should always tuck the plastic sheet properly.
But what do I do if they come out?
You can collect them in a bowl and keep them out for the birds to eat.
I really don't want to be doing that.
If they become too much, you can add neem powder or turmeric powder to control the population.
Any other creepy crawlies I need to be worried about?
Yes, all the composting creatures like bugs, worms, earwigs, spiders, ants, lizards, slugs, snails, beetles will arrive to celebrate the gourmet feast. They all will do no harm if composting is happening optimally, which means there is enough nitrogen from your kitchen waste, carbon from the coco peat powder, and oxygen, which the GobbleMax is great at providing with its ventilated sides.
So begin by letting these creatures do their job, and within 6 months, you will develop a tolerance for them. So keep the GobbleMax and the surrounding area clean, and you will have nothing to worry about. Lock the lid and door for safety, and wipe the unit after you put your waste in. Once a day, wipe it clean with vinegar and water solution. Are you ready to get your reward?
Yes, I can't wait to see what all this is going to create.
15 days after you started putting in the waste, spread a tarpaulin sheet in front of the door. Open the door and lift the sheet. Dig into the caked wall and pull out the material. This is your compost.
That doesn't look very powdery. Eee, is that a bone?
But the important thing is that it has no foul odor. Large bits like corn cobs, eggshells and bones take much longer to decompose, and about 2 to 3 cycles to crumble.
So does this mean I can't use this for my plants?
You can take out the big bits and put them back into the GobbleMax to continue composting.
So if I need powder like compost, what do I do?
You just need to sieve this, but frankly it's a waste of time. Just let it mature for a month and then use it in the soil. The soil loves the texture. Also, remember to push down the material from the top of the GobbleMax.
So this makes more space for my fresh waste now. See, I'm now an expert.
Yes, you're on your way to becoming a composting champion.